it's obvious, you can tell, but I always like to check in for video purposes and demonstration purposes and for training. I want to demonstrate you guys, how to properly check a capacitor with an MFD capacitor tester. All right, mi gente, so we're troubleshooting right now. So I was mentioning to the video prior that my hunch is a capacitor, and right now we're looking at a 40, what is it? Yeah, a 40 or 5 microfarad run capacitor. You guys can see it. So right now we're gonna test her, and it's open. That's right, guys. So my hunch is right. I mean, it's obvious, you can tell, but I always like to check in for video purposes and demonstration purposes and for training. I want to demonstrate you guys, how to properly check a capacitor with an MFD capacitor tester. So guys, the next thing is I noticed there's a burnt wire right here. So it's very possible this was happening before or after when this thing went bad, the capacitor went bad. So you want to repair the wire, put everything back together. And of course, we got the proper capacitor here, as you guys can see, to install. And hopefully it's just a capacitor, because sometimes you put the capacitor in and it could be more than just a capacitor. So just cross our fingers that it's just a capacitor. Stay tuned. Louie,